Hi everyone. In the next 15 minutes, we are going to make our first automation. So let's do it. As already discussed, we are going to make our first automation over the N10. N10 is the globally used open source AI automations tool that allow you to make AI automations very easily. So let's try to sign up our N10 and then we will see this interface and then make our first automation over it. So here you can see I am going to Google N10 sign up. So it will give you this URL, create account. So you will simply pick up the email. I already have signed up, so I'm going to use another email at gmail.com. So it has just sent me an OTP. Okay, once you will fill up all the form, it will give you a 14-day trial. Okay, me. Okay, IT. Okay, to fill up this form. Okay, submit. Now this skip. Oh, now it's dead. So it start automating. Okay, so you can see we are in the N10 homepage right now. In the N10 homepage, you can simply see this page, run live demo or start from scratch. So as we are making our first automation, so we are going to start from scratch. And the start from scratch, it's saying that you can simply build your automation from here. It's a whole interface where you can find all the things in here. It says my workflow. You can simply name it my first workflow. Add some tags for it. For example, amazing. For example, I say AI chatbot that we are going to make in the next few minutes or something. And you can simply publish it after you make it complete. You can simply add nodes from here. You will find multiple type of nodes. All the nodes that we have discussed in the past video, like you can see, is all from here. You can see triggers, app event, schedules, everything is here. So you can simply pick the triggers from here, and we will simply pick the trigger in the next 1 minute from it. So you can see you can simply add nodes with it. I'm not going to add any node. And this is the focus panel that you can use. We are going to have some explanation for it in the later videos. So let's try to build our first automation now. So as we have discussed, every automation contains three things. One is the trigger, other one is the processor, AI processor, and AI processor. Everything that we are going to do with a particular trigger or an event data is the AI processor, and the next one is the action or the output. So let's first try to add up the trigger. So now we are going to add up an AI chatbot. So first of all, we are going to add the AI trigger over here, chat input. For this we have the trigger chat input, and open a new chat event. Okay, so it simply says this. We can simply go this. You can say when a message received. Okay, now when you click plus over here, it will see what I'm going to add. So we will simply add AI agent. When you will add AI agent, AI agent is the actual thing that will actually contain the main prompt, and will actually attach with all the tools that we are going to use in the whole automation, and will perform the output at the end. Okay, so this is how it looks like. For now, let's keep it as it is. You know, this error sign shows that this particular agent is incomplete yet. Okay, so let me explain this AI agent to you first. You know, in the AI agent we have three things. Number one is the chat model. The chat model is the actual LLM that we are going to attach with our AI agent. It can be OpenAI, it can be ChatGPT, it can be you can say Gemini, it can be Claude, it can be Grok or XAI. Anything you are going to attach, it will be over here. Right now we are going to attach Gemini with it. Okay, so to attach the Gemini with your AI agent, you first need to actually go to the Google and search Gemini API key. Once you do it, you will go to the you will find this, and then get started. You will see get API key, and then I already have generated these two API keys, and you can simply create a new API key. Gemini API key is simply N10 first API key and create key. Once you will do it, okay, it will give you the API key. You will simply go to the N10, click on Gemini here. Okay, so It is asking to simply select the model. But first of all, we need to set up the credentials. So we are going to set up the key here. Save. It will first verify it, and then it says it has tested successfully. So we will simply cross. No thanks, and cross. So now we have the chat GPT, oh sorry, Gemini model set up over here. Now the next thing is the memory. You know what a memory is? Whenever for example, I'm trying to run this chatbot. Open chat, hi. Okay, you can see, oh, let me just show you this amazing panel. This is the actually log. It is actually tell you how it actually work. Okay, what tools our AI model has used and everything. Okay, now let me just test the memory. My name is Harun. Okay, it will say nice to meet you. Oh, it's taking a lot of time. Nice to meet you, but it doesn't remember anything. If I say my name is Harun again, what is my name? Let's see what it will say. It will say I didn't tell, he don't know my name. But what if I just simply give him something that will let him memorize something or store something in his memory? So it is memory. I'm just going to add some simple memory in here. Simple memory. So here, okay, the simple memory is now attached. So now let's try the same thing again. Whenever you try to create a chatbot, it will have some session ID over here. You can simply reset it from here. Reset chat session. Now it's reset it. So simply, hi, my name is Harun. Okay, and what is my name? Okay, so you can see it's not remembering my name. Okay, so in this way you can say our first you can say AI agent is ready without any prompt. So now we are going to add prompt into it. Now we are going to add prompt, add options, you can system message, and here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to tell the system that like you can see we are going to inform him that what he is and how it is going to work. For example, let me just type you are you are a receptionist. Okay, so now the question is that I'm just giving the prompt and ask him to collect the leads, but we need to actually save the leads into the Google sheet. So let's try to do it like this. Docs.google.com and new spreadsheet N10 leads. Okay, so I'm going to go to the N10 and click on the tools. Now everything that we need to do, it will be part of the tools actually. Google Sheets. So you first have to add it into the credentials and then you will be able to use it. Now let's add it. Now the credential is added. So first we need to add the document. Document N10 leads. Yes, it's simply asking for the sheet. I shall pick the sheet one, and then it says filters and everything. I'm not going to do anything. What I will do is that I will simply tell my system to actually generate the leads. You need to have the following data: email, phone, purpose, city. Please ask, please confirm, save them. Okay, now let's do it, and we have everything ready. So we are going to execute our workflow now. So now let's try to run it. Hi. Okay, so now you can see the SMS. You can see the message. It's asking for the information. So my name is. Now I have given him all the information. Let's see what it will do. You can see it is actually doing these things. Now it should actually use this tool as well. Okay, so it is actually generating the response. Let's see what it will do. Oh, we have made a mistake over here. That's the mistake, I think. We have to actually insert, append or update row here. Okay, so that's the mistake we have made. That is why it got confused. Okay, so it's asking me things again. Email. Okay, let's see what it will do now. It should now append the data into the Google Sheet. Oh, you can see now it has started to insert the data into the Google Sheets and see what it is returned. Amazing. So let's see we have got the data in the sheet or not. Okay, you can see we have the whole data into the sheet now. Now you can see we have what we have done. We have added the trigger, we have added the AI agent, and now we have stored our data into the Google Sheet. So congratulations, you have now built your first automations. So far, what you have done, you need to understand the process. Please don't focus on the N8N nodes. Focus on the logics behind it. That we have added up the input, processor, and the output. That's what we have done so far. So what you need to do is that you need to go around you and figure out the real life scenarios that you can automate. And in the next video, we will see that how we can make money out of it. So congratulations, we have now make our first automation. So in the next videos, we are going to complete this automation and we will see how we can make money out of it. See you. Bye bye.